I'm going out today and I don't want anyone to notice that I have fake edges in here. It's hot today and I'm wearing a ponytail, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get these fake edges. This is the product that I always use to slick my hair down. You can see it gives you that nice healthy shine, and we're going to go for a low pony. This is an important step. Once you got your got to be glued position, you want to just make sure all the hairs are straight going back, and you're going to want to make sure that this is completely dry. So I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on low setting, and I'm going to dry the got to be glued. Okay, so it is dry, and so we're going to go in with a track of yucky human hair. You're going to need some type of duck clip. This gives you some control. So first we're going to now lay down another light layer of your got to be glued gel. So this is our second layer that we're going in with. Make sure to get all the areas that need to be covered. A little goes a long ways. Make sure to clean your fingers. I just keep some alcohol in this little recycled spray bottle. And then you want to have your comb ready on hand. You want to spread those hairs out on the track first. You're going to hold the hairs here. You're going to get behind the ear. And you see it's already on that glue. I like to go ahead and take that duck clip and clip up under that track like so. Then I'm going to start just combing the hairs forward like so. And then I'm going to take my comb and kind of hold it lightly. And I'm going to take the track and I'm just going to gently and slowly pull. And then you're going to comb, pull, comb, pull, comb, pull until you get it to where it looks most natural. And then you can start kind of trimming some of those hairs in the front. And I'm still going to keep pulling and pulling. And pulling until you see how it's starting to match my hairline. If there's any chunky pieces, like so, you want to do your due diligence to feather those, okay? You just want to get it as close as possible to your hairline. And I think that is pretty close. I can go back a tinge more, just a tinge at the bottom here. Now I'm going in with like a pea size of this, and I'm going to start from the back and take as less product forward as possible. But don't worry if you see like those little gaps. It's all good because I figured something out. Sometimes you got to get your mirror to make sure everything going in the right direction. So I'm going to take this down, and I am going to just make sure that my hairs are going in the same direction as my ponytail, like so. Just going to take another rubber band right now, and I keep this track because I can recycle them. I don't cut the end of the track. I just make it blend in. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that got to be glued and put it back here. To give it some extra security before I take that duck clip off. So I'm going to remove the duck clip here. And then just make sure I have enough glue to hold down the edges. And it should be looking something like that. Okay? Perfecto. I'm going to add a teeny bit more here up in the front. So I just cut off a little section And I'm just going to press that on right here just to give it a little bit more filler on the side, like so. Let's go ahead and get the right side. So I'm going back in, adding a light layer of the Got To Be, where I'm going to be laying the fake edges. Get behind the ear and just make sure you go all the way back to the ponytail, but keep it light. Keep it light, like so. Wipe my fingers off. I have alcohol in that bottle. Okay, so we're going to get our track, make sure it's combed out. I am going to pull it back like so. Grab my duck clip, and I am going to clip that entire track. So that gives me some control. So once we get the duck clip on, we have some pulling control. So we got glue on there. You can see it's kind of laid down. So I just start feathering my hairs in a natural way, and I start just pulling and pulling and pulling and trying my best to keep those gaps from coming. You want to kind of match it as best as you can to the other side. Don't worry about the little gaps. My concern is just getting those bald spots filled out. We don't want to see those bald spots. You're going to lightly go in and secure that track down. Those edges, focusing the majority of, I don't know what's going on here, but I think I'm going to cut this little chunk off here. So sometimes it gets gappy like this, but don't worry. I'm going to take another duck clip and I'm going to secure this down so no hairs are moving. Okay. And I can get my Got To Be glued onto the hair. Like so. You just want to position things the best you can, as natural as possible. Take your combs, spread those hairs out, and you want the lightest layer possible that you can get. My phone's about to go. I got 10% left. Okay, so this side down here is pretty full, so I'm not going to fool with that area too much. My bald spots are covered, so I'm going to go ahead and, oh, I forgot to make sure that this side is lined up. Make sure this side is lined up in the direction of your pony. So I'm going to take my pony and put that track back here. And I'm going to take off the duck clips. And then I'm going to take some Got To Be. And make sure that this area is secured down. And now we're going to dry our hair. And we're going to make sure that our hair, this glue is 90% dry. This is some hair spritz. And just spray it on those areas. And this is going to give me some extra hold and security. I love how it smells. I went ahead and added in my ponytail hair. So I have these little gaps right up in here in my hair. This is the L'Oreal Paris Black Magic Root Cover Up Spray. I am just going to spray in those areas. See how I'm closing those gaps? And it just looks a lot more natural. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Whoops, 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 whoops. That was a mistake. Just going in with my alcohol. I'm taking that off of there. I like to go in with my olive oil sheen and just give it a touch of sheen. This is the final look, guys. I am super pleased with how this turned out. This is the ponytail. If you'd like to wear this hairstyle multiple days, just wrap it up with a scarf at night, your bonnet, honey, and you're good to go. Yes, honey, this is my cute fake edge ponytail hack. This look came out absolutely fabulous. So